crap, what are we gonna do? We gotta get her to a vet right now. I don't have a vet,
Look at that noisy baby. Look at that baby right there. Oops. Need to move a bit or let it light in for you. There we go. What? What? Go ahead, keep talking. Let's get them fingers out of your mouth so you can talk better. You sound like a little chicken thing or something. I don't know what you sound like. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Oh, yeah? Look at that baby. Look at that baby. Hey. You're ridiculous, baby. Wow, 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 wow. You're just so vocal this morning. Yeah. Whoa. Hands across the eyes. Oh, did you hear something? Did you hear Mom? Did you hear Mama? Don't eat my arm. I only got 2 left. Hey, come over. Come over here real quick, see if he makes any noise when he sees you.
What'd you say?
See what he does when he sees you. I'm recording him. It's been 3 minutes of noises.
Hi. Hi. What are you doing, Grandpa? Nothing? Yeah. You're just hanging out? Oh, yeah, that's good. What else are you doing? Is that you in the camera? You see that cute boy? You see him? Yeah. That's your friend.